Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel, guys. So over the last 5 years I've whacked out, it's probably not the right word, I've uploaded thousands or hundreds of videos of detailing content, and there's loads of detailing information, but it's just loosely scattered around all these videos. So in today's video I'm announcing a structured detailing fundamentals course aimed at beginners and guys that are new to detailing. Now, we have partnered up with a company called the International Open Academy, who are specialists in providing online training. And I'll overlay you some of the shots of their website so you can go and have a look at it. They have got training courses for everything. Beer drinking was the one that stood out for me. So we're partnering up with the International Open Academy. I'm creating the course. They're helping me produce it and they're hosting it. Now, this course is going to go live on the 15th of March. This course is going to be £119. Now, there is an 84% reduction discount rate for the first 10 days. So you'll be able to do this detailing course for £19. You go to the link provided, or you can go to the International Open Academy website and put in the discount code. But the link I've provided has the discount code embedded, so it'll automatically flash up as the course being £19. And you pay for it through PayPal, so it's nice and easy to register. Once you've paid, you have access to go onto their website, do that course for 60 days. After 60 days, you lose your access to that course. You can pay an extra £9 and your access will last for 1 year. So you'd be getting it for £28 and you've got 1 year to go and do the course. Or you can pay an extra £14 and you have access to that course for the rest of your life, which sounds like quite a good option to me. If you want to go back especially and refer to it or do the course again in a year's time. The course consists of 6 main detailing modules. An introductory module where we talk about all the chemicals and the different surfaces, and then the other modules go into specific areas of detailing. So the exterior wash and prep wash process, there's a module on decontamination, clay and chemical decontamination. We also have a dedicated module on machine polishing, which is an area that I know a lot of people have anxieties around, taking a polisher to their car for the first time, and modules on LSP or last stage protection. So the aim of this course really is to get you from discovering detailing to being comfortable or confident enough to do a full detail on your car, and give you the knowledge that if you do encounter problems, you can reference that and kind of solve a lot of the common problems that you should encounter at the same time. So I'm just going to show you a little promotional clip that I did with the company around the course right now. Have you been wanting to learn how to detail your car? Not just simply wash it, but really clean it like a professional. The problem is you don't know where to start. Maybe you're worried about scratching it or using the wrong chemicals, ruining the interior. There are 1,000,001 products on the market for detailing cars. Which is the best? How could you possibly choose? Hello, my name is John DeLue. For the last 5 years, I've been on a mission to learn about all things detailing and share that knowledge with the world. We can restore or even improve the value of our cars through detailing them. Or it can become a thriving business for those who are looking to detail professionally. That's why I partnered up with International Open Academy to create my online course, Car Detailing Fundamentals. In this course, I teach you everything you need to know to detail like a pro. Which chemicals you should use on which surface, the difference between prep wash, safe wash, decontamination, machine polishing, and much, much more. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link to sign up now and come and join me. So I hope you like that, guys. It's always funny watching yourself back on camera. I want to get across the key information. So the course is going to go live at around about the 15th of March. I'll announce it on Facebook as well. You can go to the link in the description, and if you click that link, it'll apply the discount, so that course is £19. And you have that access to that for 60 days, and you can buy the 365 for £9 or the lifetime for £14, as I've said already. The other thing is, once that promotional 10-day offer has gone and the course goes up to £119, the course will be available at a discounted rate to all my patrons, and I'll talk about that later on when the promotional period is gone. So everyone can do the course for the discounted £19 for the first 10 days, which is the important thing. So I hope I've given you all of the information there, guys. The key thing really is to go into the description, and if you're interested, click on the link and go and have a look at the International Open Academy website as well. And I want to say a huge thank you to Lawrence, Claire and Monica, the three main people that I've been working with. They've been helping me, and you know I'm not great with my production. And it's been a challenge for me, and these guys have kind of held my hand through the process, and I've really enjoyed working with them. They've also given me access to some of their other courses, so as well as being the guy creating courses, I've been the student and watching some of their courses from some of their other creators on how to improve and how to create my Facebook page properly and my Instagram account, because I know nothing about those two platforms. So I feel like I'm learning from the International Open Academy as well. That's it for this one, guys. So the detailing fundamentals training for beginners course will be live on the 15th of March and discounted for 10 days through to midnight on the 24th of March if you want to get that discounted rate. Thanks very much. Bye now.
Holding on to